Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can transform your life: self-discipline. Whether you want to achieve your dreams, improve your health, or boost your productivity, mastering self-discipline is the key. So, let's get started. What is self-discipline? First, let's define what self-discipline really is. Self-discipline is the ability to control your impulses, emotions, and behaviors to achieve your goals. It's about making choices that align with your long-term objectives, even when it's tough. Remember, self-discipline is a skill that can be developed over time. Why is self-discipline important? Now, why is self-discipline so important? Here are a few reasons. 1. It helps you stay focused on your goals and take consistent action. 2. Each time you stick to your commitments, you build confidence in yourself. 3. Self-discipline allows you to prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively. 4. It can lead to healthier habits, both physically and mentally. Practical tips to improve self-discipline. Alright, let's get into some practical tips to improve your self-discipline. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 2. Create a routine. Establish daily habits that align with your goals. A consistent routine can help reduce decision fatigue. 3. Start small. Focus on small, manageable tasks. Gradually increase the difficulty as you build your discipline. 4. Limit distractions. Identify what distracts you and find ways to minimize those distractions. Create a focused environment. 5. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and aware of your thoughts and feelings. Mindfulness can help you make better choices. 6. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Rewards can motivate you to stay disciplined. Overcoming challenges. Self-discipline isn't always easy. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. Procrastination. Break tasks into smaller parts and set deadlines. Lack of motivation. Remind yourself of the why behind your goals. Burnout. Take breaks and practice self-care to recharge. Conclusion. Remember, self-discipline is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, practice, and patience. Start implementing these tips today, and you'll see progress over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on personal development. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What strategies do you use to stay disciplined? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay focused and keep pushing towards your dreams.